What up, what up, what up? What up, what up, what up? Trying to get this into the Discord. Thank you for hanging out. What's up, Max? Thanks for hanging out. Rolling, gonna check. What's up, Tyler? What's up, Grayson? Good morning, guys. Thank you for hanging out. We're live. We're going to be live for about an hour today in the morning. We can catch up on some stuff, watch some of the plays develop. That's the plan for today. That's true, Max. We're pushing. So Chewy's looking really good. Chewy's looking good. What's going down for me though? Tesla? So maybe it's Tesla. Oh yeah, Tesla. Okay. Compared to what they were at open, my Tesla shares are down. That's my portfolio is kind of moving. I'm like, what's happening? But Chewy's looking good. Chewy's up, which is a good sign. Up 16% on the day. Chewy's up to 63.50. So we'll see what kind of action we continue to get out of this. But yeah, everything's kind of bouncing around. I'm watching DPST move. Peloton's just up there, man. It's got its earnings today. Peloton is just up there. It's just cruising. So yeah, we're gonna watch them. Starbucks had a really good rip. I'm not in Starbucks. Amazon's pretty much fully recovered over the last 2 days. So it would have been crazy if you hopped in Amazon on the 8th. You'd be up $200 a share from then. Look at Chewy go. Is it still cruising? Yes, sir. Yeah, 63.23. That's pretty solid. You're probably up a lot on it, Tyler, I would say. I entered. I'm trying to check my portfolio. I'm going to just scan around, make sure everything's kind of. Apple is at 1882. That's kind of crazy. People really securing profits this morning on it, it makes sense. Like that's like the first 15 minutes of the market. It's like time to secure these profits. I swear that's everybody's mindset during it. But yeah, I mean, Chewy cruising. So we'll hold that. I think we're going to get that big earnings run up. I really do. I think it's going to grow at least $2 more a share today. I think we could see 65. Beyond Meat is just ripping. That would have been a good pickup too a couple days ago. Everything's pretty much coming back to where it was. I mean, it's not like fully back, but I like where everything is right here. SPY at 342. So it's crazy to see. Yeah, you sold Starbucks with. Yeah, I took that loss too. I was just like, even though I had time on it, I wanted to free up my funds because I was just getting hurt so bad on it. I was like, I got to get out of this play. But it's all right. We moved it around. We'll make it back. We put it in different spots. It's always going to come back. We'll always make our money back on it. I mean, we're already doing that with the Chewy call out I made yesterday, so that's the good thing. Pumped on it. Just hoping this Intel, Apple's kind of fallen too. It's kind of figuring itself out, but I kind of expected it. You know, the first 20 minutes or so, people sell off. It's natural. It's normal. I'm going to pull up my Thinkorswim charts, and then I'm going to start streaming from this day forward my Thinkorswim charts so you guys can watch the charts with me. I've gotten a lot of questions about it. Still holding RKT. It's worth $8. You should probably sell that, Tyler. If you can, just put in the limit sell for $8 just because it got worse than I expected. She finally gave me back the kids. Congratulations, Jared. I'm happy for you. But Yeah, Chewy's cruising. It's up 17% on the day, so that's a good move. I think we made a pretty solid play there. We're gonna play small, build the account back up. We got clobbered over the last couple of days. Tesla's on the rise again, though. It's up 6% today, so we're cruising. Peloton's up to $98. That was the one, man. If I would have entered that, I was looking at $83. It's at 98 now. Whew. I was gonna load up on it too. So it's just tough to see that thing just cruise right in front of your eyes. DPST's up to 55. Starbucks did cruise. We're getting a good green morning. Beyond's up to 144. Whoo, hood baby. You figure out how to screen record? Yeah, that's what I finally figured it out. It's just like it would end the stream right now, and I got to make sure that I have everything lined up the way I want it so that we're not losing audio. I literally went through everything last night to make sure almost everything was lined up. I have to go through 3 more pages of things. It was like midnight. I was like, I got to go to bed if I want to get up to watch the market. So I have literally 3 more settings to go through, like pages, and then we'll have the screen being recorded from now on. So that we can watch charts together and I can, show you guys what's up. But yeah, Chewy got a little pullback, which is totally natural. I mean, it ran so quick in 15 minutes. Apple's the only one that's kind of like, I feel like it should be higher right now. But I'm not going to hate on it. Look, it's windy out. Spit to the scene like an M16. Yeah, I think it will too. I agree, man. I finally got everything figured out. It took so long too. I just hope that my internet's good enough too, so like people can watch charts and stuff with me, and to where it's still engaging. That's what'll be fun. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to leave a like on the live stream. It helps out a ton on the channel. If you guys are new here, do not forget to join the Discord. There's a lot of cool stuff going on today. Whew. I know some people are securing profits, but man, DPST is at 54.93. So we're kind of getting stuff hopping around. Peloton pulled back a little bit. Shopify's on its way down. Docu's got like a downtrend. Spirit's up, but of course we sold out of those contracts. The airlines just hop back and forth. I think those are good day trade stocks, but for swinging them until we hear about a stimulus, and that's what we're waiting on, right? Most of this today, that's why today's going to be a little bumpy overall in the market, because we have the stimulus stuff that's supposed to come out tonight. Like that's going to create that bumpiness. That's going to create like that just uncertainty, because people are wanting to see if they're getting stimulus checks, the job numbers. They want to see, everything that's happening. That's what's really important. That's what we got to be mindful of, and like secure profits on anything. I'm holding Apple though. I have it for October 2nd. So I'm gonna hold Apple no matter what through today. And I have a lot of other contracts that I'm holding. I have my Intel for mid-October. My Chewy's pretty much hanging out at break even because it pulled back a little bit. So I think the implied volatility went down. That's what happened. You need your stimmy Jimmy. Stimmy Jimmy, the stimulus check. Yeah, so that's what we're waiting on to see if anything gets passed, because there is something that's proposed right now. It's not looking too good, but it's not looking like bleak. Would AMD be a good buy-in? Where's AMD? Oh, because it's red. Well, I'm trying to get my Thinkorswim to load. I don't know why it has not been loading. I'm not sure yet though. It's hard for me to tell. It kind of looks like one of those like reverse head and shoulder patterns. I think it'll be, wait till we get a green arrow, and I want to check my charts to see, but my Thinkorswim's been loading for like 3 minutes now, doing nothing. But I would wait until you get a green candle to enter AMD, because it's the only thing that's really been selling off, and everywhere else has been pretty strong today. Even Caterpillar with the quick sell-off, now it's coming back up. Chewy's hanging out right at 63. DPST's right at 55 today. So we are jumping around in the portfolio. So everything's looking a little better. But once we get that Chewy action up, I mean, that's what we're staying patient for. I like AMD though. I just got to get my Thinkorswim charts going. I don't know why my computer is not into loading Thinkorswim. Then we'll get the screen recording going. That's the one thing too. Yeah, SPY is looking decent. Yeah, SPY is looking strong right now. I'm really excited. Today's going to be a great day, I think. Tesla with 80 million volume, 20 minutes into trading. 80 million trades. That's awesome. Oh, yeah, SPY's looking awesome right here. You could also enter that. I think it'd be a little bit of a slower move today than it was yesterday because SPY really gapped up like 2.5% yesterday. We're going to get some more consolidation just so that we can look for consolidation so that we're not going, whew, whew, whew. Hey, boys and girls, what's up? What's up, Ben? We're just watching the stonks. We'll get a chart. We're going to get the charts going tomorrow so it can be more engaging. You guys can see my mouse. I'll go, here's a little line. Here's a little line. And we can watch that. But yeah, SPY is strong. It's moving up. It's up like 10 more cents. Yeah, we're just holding the positions that we're in for now. Not making any new entries. Apple's back up over 119, so that's going to carry SPY up a little bit. But the portfolio has greatly recovered. We have recovered about 3.3% yesterday, and we're up 3.2% so far today. You guys know I play with big money, so that's good signs. So let's hope we can keep getting this good action. I hope we can get some action out of the banks too, and that's why we need stimulus, because that would really bring all these bank stocks up on the move. So yeah, we're chilling today. I just hope Chewy can keep that good momentum going. But we got time. We got the rest of the day. Looking at some calls, a couple other people putting some call outs in. I'm just looking at the Discord. Any recs on other trading platforms? Yeah. Thinkorswim, TOS. Thinkorswim is by far my favorite trading platform besides Robinhood. The only reason I use Robinhood is because it's free and I'm really accustomed to it and it's popular. So it's easier for me to make videos and teach people, right? Because almost everybody uses Robinhood or Thinkorswim. So if I was able, like I said, focusing on Robinhood, I can teach people easier on YouTube when I make videos like, hey guys, this is what you need to look out for when you're trading options. And here's how you see this. Here's how here's how I look at the Robinhood support resistance. But I usually just use Thinkorswim when it comes to like big picture stuff. Thank you guys. We got 13 people hanging out. Do not forget to hit the like button on the live stream. We're gonna be live for for a minute. Walmart might be a good buy soon. Yeah, Walmart I'm a little indifferent about. I'm not really the biggest Walmart fan. It's a little awkward. I don't know if you guys get that, but I just have awkwardness when it comes to it. I'm gonna blow this windy out. And Chewy's down from where it was. Portfolio's kind of taken a little bit of a beating from where it was at open because Apple is down about $1.50 from its pre-market price. I think people are just securing profits. And I think we're having that across the board, except the REIT sector is at an all-time high. So that's crazy. The REITs are at an all-time high. DPST's doing good. Windy out. Yeah, a lot of the tech stuff's selling off. Let me look at these other options. I'm just looking around at stuff. I mean, there's one Neo. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, a lot of the tech stuff's fallen, so that's why SPY pulled back, which is going to inevitably pull some other stocks down. Facebook's getting crushed. Apple's down, but it's not terrible. But we can just let things shake out. So I'm curious to see what happens today. But yeah, I'm pumped. I'm pumped for the day. I'm pumped for a lot of these other plays. Once tech kind of finds its way, DPST's looking good too. It's looking strong. And I think we could see that break out a couple dollars today. It won't be up too crazily, I don't think, but we'll see. But yeah, we'll see. It's honestly, it's weird. I don't think we're having a lot of volume today on anything except Tesla. And it's like a selling volume right now. Yeah, Tesla's got over, oh, never mind. That was the average volume. I was like, the average volume is 104 million trades. So we're going to see how Tesla kind of performs, but it is trending down right now. It's windy out. Aha, we finally got Thinkorswim pulled up. That's a good sign. Yeah, so let's pull up. So okay, Tesla's at 382, so that's good. But yeah, we're just seeing a little pullback, super natural. I mean, I think honestly, consolidation days, that's kind of what we have going on this week. That's why we played everything small. We did enter trades with over like $1,000 because no point right now. Yeah, Chewy, we're gonna watch the chart on it. I wonder what the volume looks like too. Default watch list, create one. Should be on there. Oh, that's the name of the watch list. What? That's actually kind of fire. Thinkorswim's pretty cool. Tesla 384. So we'll see what's going on there. Looks like we're getting a lot of the stocks that were just down for a minute. SPY's back up like 40 cents. So yeah, I think we're going to see some more good action between 10:30, 11:30. Chewy's already back up to 62.23 after hitting 61.60. So that was fast. That was a fast return. Everything's really shaking out. Oh, it's windy out. Let me check DPST charts. We'll see what's going on there. Ugh. 55.13. Yeah, this is a goofy one. Gosh, the 1 minute candles would give me a heart attack. It shows like the trend is on these 1 minute candles. There we go, DPST. Breaking the upper VWAP line. So I think we can see this guy run today. Like I said, up to like, that was, I called that, what did I say, 55 flat. Now it's 55.36 and hit 55.50. So I think we could see more green out of them. I'm holding that in my long-term positions. I can't believe ABR is up to 1180. That's just amazing. After everyone was like, the REIT sector is going to get smashed. It's doing pretty well. Yeah, well, it's going to be out. Yep, so the portfolio is on the rise again. But yeah, DPST is looking good. I like in this chart. Tested the upper VWAP. So we'll see kind of how it moves. The new VWAP line's at 54.88 on the daily one. Let's see if we can get some. Tesla hanging out at 383. SPY's at 340, still. So everything's just hanging out. We'll get a more uptick in volume in about 30, like within the next 30 minutes from what I see. I hope you guys are having a good morning. Hope you guys slept well. Whew, we're just watching stuff shake out. We're just watching these stocks shake out. I would have went the Indy route and still be windy out. I'd be blowing this windy out. Wow, that volume on Tesla. 14 million trades today, almost 15 million. Wow. So crazy. I couldn't even imagine having like being Elon. You just have a publicly traded company and you just watch like your stock price jump every day. So crazy to me. BST's at 50, hanging flat at 50. Crazy when you look back at the week and you see how much red there was. That's so crazy. Looking back at the week and seeing all the red candles on all the charts, whether it's SPY or, you know, whatever stock you're looking at. Windy out. Could have went left to your route. Thank you guys. We got 16 people hanging out. We're all just trying to figure this market out today. But yeah, well, I'm really excited to get the charts up tomorrow. You know, we go live. We can watch it on the Friday. It'll just be a blast. Chewy's getting a little more action. From what I see, it's at 62.60, pushing the VWAP at 62.66. If it mounts that, we can get a good run. And it's looking good. I mean, we got 2 green candles, so I'm pretty pumped on it. It's testing it right now. Yep. Took the D route. 62.76 on Chewy. Getting a little bit more action as SPY starts to turn around. That's a big green candle on SPY. Like I said, don't expect anything too crazy out of SPY today. This could be, I mean, I'm happy if it's a green one, but I don't expect it to be wild. I think the wild money was to be made in like swinging Beyond Meat. You know, Square is doing good. And of course, like there's going to be some exceptions. There always is. Facebook's already climbing back. Tesla's climbing back again to where it fell to like 380 flat. I was watching on my Thinkorswim chart, We got Apple at 119.40. So everything's just weirdly moving slow. The volume and Chewy, but it retracted. So I think in the next green candle, we can see a mount, we can see a rip, or like within 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Can you day trade on Thinkorswim? Yes. And is it only 0.65 cents? Yes. Per options contract you buy, that's like the commission. It just takes 65 cents. I know Tyler football starts today, dude, and Kenyon Drake is playing. I think he's playing. Let me check his injury report. Or his update on it or whatever. Oh, is he out? Or is he good to go? Hello? Says he practiced on Monday. Oh, yeah, no injury reports this year, it says. Huh, well, let me check. Let me see what's going on. I'm going to read an article by Sports Illustrated. I know, I'm so pumped, man. I got to get my fantasy lineup, like, intact. Like, it's looking good, but I got to get it to where it's, like, one hundo. Said, I don't know, that's an iffy one. SPY really just ripped. Now, DPST rips, too, right here. And we see that retest. Oh, my gosh. My portfolio would just be, like, loving it. Dude, Amazon's just cruising. I don't want the indie wrote. One like it's windy out. Whew. Hood baby, hood baby. Yeah, he probably won't get too many touches. He said, I was out of the boot in like 2 days. Yeah, it says right here, both the guys are working. Two guys are going to get. He said they're not getting back on the field until he feels 100%. Drake appears to be past the injury and focused on the task at hand, which is beating the 49ers. It says on Sunday. Do they? I'm a little ahead of myself. Yeah, tonight's Kansas City and Houston, not Arizona. I I thought Arizona. Okay, I got confused because DeAndre Watson going to Deshaun Watson. Why am I saying DeAndre? DeAndre Hopkins is the Houston guy. See, I got both those teams mixed up in my head now. Yo, gentlemen, what's up, Blake? Thanks for hanging out. We're just talking stonks and football. Apple's looking good. The contracts are back up to what they were at open. Apple's up a whole dollar, pulling SPY up. So portfolio for me today is at a high. So that's good news. DPST is probably looking decent then. Yep. ABR is up to 1190. Whew, up on 137% return on that stock, and I bought it a while ago. I'm excited for tonight, though. I have Mahomes in one of my leagues. I'm only in 2 fantasy football leagues right now. I got Mahomes in one of them. What's up, Michael? I saw, dude. I had to pick them up. I have Breeze in my paid league. I do a league where you pay $200, and then if you win, you win 1,000, and then like seconds like 750, and then 500 or something. I can't remember. It all adds up with 10 people. So the math, maybe it's 1,000, 750, and then 250. It's right at that VWAP line. I'm gonna refresh my Thinkorswim. Good to go for this weekend. But yeah, I'll definitely monitor. You got Watson for tonight? Yeah, it's gonna be. Or Watson for tonight. Nice. Yeah, Patty Mahomes, a great pickup. I'm a Chiefs fan, but I actually have David Johnson for tonight. Oh, the Houston running back. Yeah, he's good. He was on my list this year, but I picked up Dalvin Cook and Kenyon Drake. So those are like my 2 running backs, and then Maheem Roster is like the backup for me on my bench. He's a 49ers back. So yeah, David Johnson though, he's up there. But yeah, I picked up Cook, and then in my other league, I picked up McCaffrey. There we go. I'm finally getting live updates on Chewy. Yeah, let me check my. Yeah, you have Dalvin too. Dalvin's a beast, man. He was my first round pickup in my one league, and then the other one, McCaffrey. I was the first pick, so I got McCaffrey. Josh Jacobs and yeah, Austin Eckler. Eckler's so underrated, Tyler. Eckler is so underrated. It's crazy. He's gonna be he's one of the good offensive guys this year, especially with the new quarterback. Since they don't have Rivers, Rivers is in Indy now, right? I'm pretty sure he plays for the Colts. That's gonna be crazy. Gonna be so crazy to watch. Facebook at 276. Google watching that. That's on my watch list. Silver's down today, right? I don't know. I really haven't been watching silver and gold. Not gonna lie. Eckler too. Yeah, Eckler, he's a good pickup. I keep my eyes. Yeah, Tampa Bay. That's my defense is Tampa Bay and Indianapolis are my two defenses this year. I'm gonna run Indy the first week. I think they play Jacksonville. I think they play Jacksonville. Yeah, they play the Jags. So I'm gonna run them the first week and see what we get. Chewy hit the VWAP line, bounced down. So we'll see a red candle, and then I bet, like I said, around 10:30, we'll see a better position on them. Antonio Gibson on the bench. Respect it. I respect it. Yeah, I got to sign into my football team. See what's going on. I gotta remember my sign in. That's the one hard part. A couple different passwords I'm gonna try. What's going on? What's going on? What's up, Anthony? Good morning, my man. Tyler says Apple and Chewy just playing with my feelings. Well, how long do you have your Apple call for? That do be the hardest part. How long do you have your Apple call for? Chewy's coming back up too. Looking better. It just hit the VWAP and didn't go over it. So, I mean, we still got more time for it. Yes. Good morning, Anthony. Thank you for hanging out, my man. Tell me what's going on. Yeah, what's going on? Ugh. Black M16s. I kind of need to re-humble myself. Yeah, I feel that, Skylar. You're up like 300 today, and I'm thinking it's a super slow day. That's how I feel, man. I'm like watching these stocks move, and even when stuff recovers on me, like 100 or 200 in a day, and like my portfolio will be up like 700 with my long-term portfolio. I'm just like, but we were getting like 1,500 last week, and it was all like crazy. Yeah, I'm right there with the Skylar. I really do. I got to realize that like last week was insane, and that you can't just like throw your money all over the place all the time, and it's just like boop, up, 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 and you're just like watching your stocks grow like hundreds at once. I agree. That's what I'm gonna focus on this weekend. I really am, and that's what I have been this playing small, realizing that like okay, if I make $100 on a trade, that's actually a big deal. Like it's not just because I was making like 1,000, like 100 is still a big deal, you know. Getting green candle out of Chewy for now. We'll see if that holds up. Gonna start working soon. I'll be putting 200 a week into stocks, and we'll be waiting, playing small. Yes, that's honestly one of the best moves you can do, so you don't blow up your account. I like that idea. Yep, just throw 200 into stocks. Ooh, my package from Amazon's on the way. That's a good sign. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna arrive September 12th. I ordered some MCT oil from my CBD company. Shout out Amazon. Yeah, that's a great plan, Anthony. Seriously. I'm all about it. That's how we do it around here. As long as yeah, like if you think about it too, you make $100 a day, 5 days a week. That's $500 a week off stocks. That's awesome. I mean, that's like $24,000 a year, just off $100 a day. Just from your iPhone. It's crazy. I think everybody just tries to get rich too quick. That's what happened to me, man. That's seriously why I lost so much money last week because I was doing so well. I was like, man, if I can make 2,800 in 2 days, and then I end up getting clapped for like 3,000. I was like, huh? What? Just I don't know. You get addicted to that winning feeling, and you think you can just do this 24/7. When like if you stay practical, I know Gary Vee talks about it all the time, but if you're able to stay practical with it, like you want to, Anthony, you're gonna be on the moon. I really think so. I just gotta take this phone call, and then I'll literally be right back. It's gonna take 2 seconds. We're still watching Chewy, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. 3-6. All right, I got my ESPN code. How's everyone doing? Pretty good, Anthony. I'm having a good day. I hope you are too. More green candles. Let's remount that VWAP. Come on, Spy Call Cruise. How are you? Yeah. Spy is a good solid one. Spy Call Cruise. Yeah, that's good. That's a good move. If you guys are new here, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, join the Discord. It's been popping. You guys are awesome. We're going to get the charts going tomorrow on the channel. And then starting next week, because I want to take today, to kind of go slow, I've uploaded 2 days in a row, 2 videos. So I've been wanting to kind of take it slow for a minute. But next week, I'm going to start doing like what Trading Fraternity does, where I come out with my my nightly watch list so people can watch news. They can get my perspective on what I see the market doing. So I'll make put up a paper, spreadsheet, screen record it, and be like, hey guys, this is what I kind of see happening this week. And a lot of the news, just so that people can understand why I take the positions I take. Hey, Blake said the credit card bid was fire. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Do you have a credit card? If not, think about getting one, dude. It's fire. The cash back. I even went into like my spending and what I spend money on. So if you guys haven't checked that one out, definitely go do that. Because I just wanted to, as much as I love options trading, I want to get more into like stock personal finance stuff too, right? Like I love, and I'll do options videos. They're awesome. But I would love to like say, hey, here are the plays I'm making. Here's what I see in the market, so that people who don't trade options can still make trades with me and just buy shares and stuff. And I wanted to make a credit series because building credit is one of the best things you can do as far as like saving money so that you can invest more. You actually just redeemed my first cash back on a credit card I got from Bank of America. Perfect, man. That's perfect. Yeah, you're doing it the right way. Credit cards are legendary. They really are. They're, most people are in credit card debt, but the credit also allows you to leverage your money. Like that's what I love about it. Like I knew there were some times where I wasn't going to have money freed up until Friday to pay for stuff, but my credit card statement wasn't due for 2 more weeks. So I was like, boom, like I can just throw it on the credit card. And then, I'd get like a big payment or whatever, however I did it. And then I was like, oh, okay, now I don't even have to worry about dipping into my emergency fund. Like once you get to that point, it's game over. They had a nice $200 cash back if you spent like $1,000 on it within the first 3 months. I was going to buy a laptop anyway, so I signed up. Dude, that's perfect. That's literally perfect. Yeah, that's the way to do it. That's next level, man. That's some good moves. Good move. I applaud. That's a good move. Chewy's candle's looking good. We got 2 green ones. We're pushing back to 62.40. Yeah, I'm really digging that. Looking to add more like the Amazon card you're talking about in the future. Yeah, that one's awesome. I love my Amazon card. And I know people, and I'm like Jeff Bezos has an incredible amount of wealth, right? And people say like, oh, if you use the Amazon credit card, it's just going to make it worse. I don't know. I think I'm making my payments on time. They literally gave me $50 for free just for getting approved. So I could have gotten approved and cut the card up and still had $50 to use. Like I could have literally called and canceled and been like, oh, I still got a $50 Amazon gift card. Like that's so much fun. So much fun. I mean, yep. I took the MD route. Split in the M with the M16. M16. Oh, Intel's on the rise. That's awesome. It's windy. Yep. Opinion on Nike. Oh, let me check the chart. Candles in a row, guys. Like I said, around 10:30, they'd pick up in volume. So if they can break their VWAP right here, we're going to see some good plays. We can hop out with profit. I mean, it's getting good volume right now too. It's getting more volume in the green. Like it's getting way more green buying volume than it's getting red selling volume. That's really good to see, in my personal opinion. But yeah, let me check Nike. I just wanted to say that before I hopped out to Nike's charts. Nike Inc. I really haven't heard much from Nike, Adidas. So Nike just broke the VWAP downward. So I think we're going to see that sell a little bit more. But if it hits 117.30, it could potentially mount it, and then you could get a run up of like 50 cents. Wow, Nike's stock price is lower than I thought. I thought it was higher than this. Oh, never mind. I guess. Oh, never mind. I'm thinking of a different one. Yeah, I think if you play Nike long term, we could see a pretty good gap up. That's right. They are. Maybe I'm thinking of a different shoe company. I'm trying to remember which one I'm thinking about. But yeah, they broke that wall, that VWAP line under, so we could see them pull down a little bit more. Let me go into the today. See, that's why we're getting that red candle right now, and it might. But if you see a green candle and we pass 117.30, it could be a good potential entry position. The VWAP's such a good line. It's so weird how almost everything follows it almost perfectly. But that's my opinion on Nike for today. Low fuck it, Pesos paying you back now. Basically, yeah, he's giving me that cash back. I just love that Amazon cash back when you shop on Amazon. Like 5% if you're a Prime member. Are you kidding me? That's every $100 you spend, you get 5 of it back. Like, bruh. That's a game changer. Where is my water bottle? Dog. Dog, where is my water bottle? Dog. For real. Did I take it with me? Oh, you got to come and collect. That's my opinion on it. I'm going to go back to Chewy. We'll keep watching Chewy. Let me go get I'm going to go find my water. Chewy is hanging out at 62, what is it, 20 now? Yeah, hopping around underneath the VWAP. All right, let me find my water. Give me a second. I thought I had it. At least I knew exactly where it was. It was just in the other room. Yeah, Chewy's at 62. Well, if you look at the charts, Tyler, it hasn't broken the VWAP. It fell beneath it today. That's why we got those 3 red candles. And now it's getting good volume. But yes, it's selling a little bit more than people are. But I'm honestly still pumped for it. I think it'll get a lot of good action towards the end of the day too. And you got to think now we're at the 10:30 to 11:30 where people really set up their plays for the rest of the day. Yep. I hope it keeps me signed in. I don't know why it just signs me out. All right, so I'll take a look at my team. Everyone's cleared to play. It looks like, is anybody on my bench playing tonight? Bowler. I have him on my bench. I'm going to keep him there for now. Wait, why is Drew Brees on my bench? Although Josh Allen's playing the Jets. Gosh, it's so hard to know what to do. But my lineup's crazy this year. I'm so pumped. These are like by far the best players I think I've ever had. How do you feel about Apple? I feel like I'm just losing on Apple. Oh, I love Apple. I have them for another month. I'm pretty much at break even. Their event's on the 15th, so I would say hold it until then, but it depends on your expiration date too. DPST's down. Pulling my portfolio. Facebook took off. Jeez. So yeah, what's your expiration for it? And then we can kind of gauge a better mindset and path for you. Because if we can do that, then I think you'll be in a really good position. Whew. Wow, Tesla's pushing 400. I think they'll hit it. That's what's keeping my portfolio up. I was like, what is happening? How did my DPST go down? My portfolio is the same. I was like, that thing swayed 300, but it's because my Tesla swayed 300 the other way. So that's pushing back. That's crazy. It's windy. I'm getting windy. Oh, yours expires on the 18th. Shoot, yeah. I mean, it's not terrible. What's your delta and theta? And then we can make a better, and then let me know how much you're down by. And then we'll make a really good, a way to play it. Because I would hate for you to swing it over the weekend and lose theta decay money when if you could sell it today, maybe re-enter next week on a further out expiration. But yeah, it's just, it's hard with that expiration because that one's coming up really quick. But thank you guys. 21 people watching. If you guys could leave a like on the live stream, it helps me out a ton. I really appreciate it. If you have yet to join the Discord, I'll link it real quick. But I think all you guys here are familiar faces. I think all you guys are familiar faces here. So we have 759. 759 of you guys in here. Hello? That's awesome. Just bought 2 more shares of Tesla, buy high, sell low on the bull run. You heard? Oh no, Mike, chill. Who's buying Chewy puts? Tesla going crazy. Yeah, I'm just grabbing the Discord link for you guys, but I really appreciate it. Like all the support today has been crazy. You guys are the best. 759 members in the Discord. There's the link. I just wanted to connect you guys more. If you're new here, of course. But yeah, let's keep looking at stuff. If you guys have more questions, Chewy's back to 62.40 from what I see on Thinkorswim. We're just looking. All right, now that I'm in my fantasy football, here's my team so you guys can see what we got going this year. Tell me this lineup does not go hard. I don't know if you guys can see it. Here, I'll block some of the light. Oh, that made it work. There you go. Breeze, Cook, Drake, DJ Moore, Amari Cooper, Allen Robinson, the Colts defense, and Justin Tucker. Tell me that doesn't go hard, right? It's so crazy. All right, so your delta's 56 and your theta's 24. DJ and Cooper, you like that? Yeah, they're going to be beasts, dude. They're both the number one receivers at both those places with high functioning offenses. And then even Robinson, he's the number one. I don't know how they're going to get the ball to him, but I think he'll see some action. So with the delta of 56, the theta of 24, how much are you down by? And kind of what's your profit goal, Visions? Because when I know your goal, how much you're down by, I can see if what you're wanting is realistic, like a realistic thing, or if we should just cut your losses now and move you into a contract for, October or something like that. I like Apple. I like Apple here. I think they're one of the better swings. But we ran up yesterday because you got to think about how expensive this stock is. Being a company that's worth $2 trillion, for it to move $2 to $3, $4, all that is a lot of funding. Like a lot of funding. So that's the other thing we got to be mindful of when it comes to Apple. But yeah, Apple's like it's a good stock. You're looking for between 20. Okay, you're down 4%. You're looking for 20%. Okay, so yeah, let's let it ride through today since you're down 4. Let's let it ride through today. We'll get a better feel for it later towards the end of the day. And when I do my earnings watch, we're going to watch Chewy's earnings tonight. Even though I don't plan on playing them, I still want to watch them. I just want to get more of a better overview of the company to see if I can, should continue trading them. They're on a good uptrend. I think they could be a great stock to add to my, I'm just glad I'm not chasing stocks that I don't know nothing about. And I'm actually learning about stocks that are going to be around for a while, so I know how they trade and stuff like that. I'm clicking your link. Better not be spam. No, I'm just kidding. You said this is your lineup for the week. I'm clicking on it. Checking it out. Capture with light shot. So you got Lamar, Eckler, Cook. When I saw the first 3, I was like, damn, this is a killer lineup. So you got Adams too. Yeah, I hope if Rodgers has a great year, Adams is going to have a great, great time. Dalvin's crazy, man. He's one of the best pickups. So you got Boswell kicking, which should be good. Pittsburgh doesn't score a lot. So I like touchdowns from what I've seen recently in the last couple of years. So I like that play. The Bears defense is loaded. Mark Andrews is one of the best tight ends too, especially with Baltimore. We share the same receiver, and then you got your flex. Yeah, that's awesome, man. See, in my league, we do 3 receivers / tight end. So you don't have to have a tight end. You could just have a receiver instead. Damn, if you don't win, that's what I'm saying. I think you'll win the year. Yeah, I like that. No, that's I like that lineup right there. Especially this week. I mean, you're playing Detroit, Cincinnati. You're playing Cleveland, the Giants. The only guy, I bet David Johnson does well, even playing Kansas City's defense. I really do. I think you're going to have a great first week. Oh, there we go. Chewy broke the VWAP. Hopefully we get some more action out of it. Woo. Whew. That VWAP action. Chewy, let's go, baby. Up to 63 right now. I mean, look at that candle. Where's Tyler? Tyler, Chewy shooting for the stars. What's your thoughts on Apple? So I have a 118 call for October 2nd. So I'm about 3 weeks out. I'm holding it because they have their event day on Wednesday, on the 15th. That's Wednesday, right? Yeah, I think so. What's today? Okay. So it's on Tuesday. So next Tuesday, Apple's doing their event day, and I want to hold it because I think they're going to have a great event day, and I think it'll shoot the price up a little bit. That's why I think if you play this longer term on Apple, whether you go out of the money or however you do, I like closer in the money because you get better deltas. Even though you're paying a higher premium, you can watch your money grow faster. It's less risk. That's what I'm all about, is like, how can I manage my risk so that even if I make $40, it was a lot safer than potentially losing like thousands, right? That's my goal from this point forward. How's my portfolio doing? I actually haven't looked at it because we've just been looking at fantasy football. It's actually just chilling. I mean, my Chewy's doing good though. My portfolio is just chilling though, because DPST's like, wow. Still good though. I mean, it's up on the day a lot. I'm on that Skyler move though. Skyler's just like, yeah, I gotta rehumble myself, and I'm on that same train. Intel. Tesla do be climbing though. Let's hope it continues so that we can get more money into the market, more people confident. Yeah. We ain't on the same ish. No way. These faces. I don't recognize these faces. Apple needs some juice. I agree, Skyler. I do agree with that. Chewy's looking great though. Guys, I mean, oh my gosh. It's closing in on the upper VWAP too. I think we'll see it rip soon. I think people are finally setting up. They're like, okay, I want to play Chewy's earnings. This is the time to get in. And with this large volume spike of almost all buyers right now, I think it's looking good. As long as we can stay above our VWAP, I think we're going to have a kick-ass power hour. And that's just my opinion. But giving me an erection, I repeat, giving me an erection. Yeah, I wanted to pop off, but not too much. That Kansas City loses. I live in KC, so they're my boys. Hey, congrats on the Super Bowl, though, for real. That's awesome. I didn't know you lived in KC, baby. You trade on other platforms. You recommend any besides Robinhood? I only trade on Robinhood, but I like Thinkorswim. The only reason I don't trade on Thinkorswim is because Robinhood's so simple, and I'm comfortable with it. But I really like Thinkorswim. That's where I read my charts and stuff. That's how I kind of gauge positions and was like, hey guys, let's enter Chewy for earnings. I like the trend, you know, and like it's for people who don't want to play Tesla. Like I love Tesla and I'll play Tesla, but it's just so risky, especially if you hop on the FOMO stuff. Like I'd much rather just make small moves, good positions, position my money better, and then just like, yep, that's what we're doing. That'd be cool. Yeah, they beat my 49ers, Tyler said. Yeah, that was a game. That was a fun Super Bowl. Then COVID got crazy. I'm just happy that they're starting sports and stuff, like, and just don't let people come to the stadium. It's crazy. Entertainment. No way. Want the gym voice to. Good and they hate it. I don't recognize these faces. No way. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Apple dropped fast. Let me check their chart. Chewy pulled back a little bit, closing in the VWAP. I think if everything's selling, let me check SPY after Apple. Ooh, Apple did sell fast. Jeez. That just felt like a whole $1. Whew. Well, let's see if we can get them back up, but they fell through the VWAP. It's not even that much volume either. It's just people securing their profits. As long as we can keep them above 117. Oh my gosh, SPY just got a huge red candle. That SPY drop. Oh no, now you're down 21% on Apple. Yeah, I mean, if you got your stop loss, honestly, you can hit it and reposition yourself. My whole account just fell too. But still, that was a dip. DPST dipped. Just the fact that Chewy stayed strong through that entire like tech tank that just happened. Oh my gosh, Amazon just fell $30 in 10 minutes. That SPY move is just crazy. Last week we had that where this was like the dip of the day and then everything else was strong. Last week we had that, I remember. What a sell. This is entertaining. As long as DPST gets some more traction. I think we're just seeing a tiny dip. I think we'll rebound from this pretty quickly. Tiny dip of the day, because not everything across the board got hammered, right? Only tech for just then. So SPY dipped down. Damn, that's crazy. I recognize these faces. I'm feeling good and they hate it. That was crazy. We did just get a little downward movement. So we'll watch it for a little bit longer. We'll keep our eye on everything. I'm gonna look at these charts. Thank you guys for hanging out though. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. All right, so I'm gonna pull up Apple. I wanna watch them for a second. Eyes at 340.10. Getting a little green candle out of it, but we'll see how sustainable all this is. Apple's at 117.14 on my Thinkorswim right now. But the candles don't look too great. That just fell out so hard. It's so weird. And then we'll pull up Chewy. Get a little green out of Apple though. Chewy's hanging out. It really did not get affected by this little pull. I mean, it went from 63 to right now it's at 62.90, it looks like. But it is jumping around. At least we're getting decent volume now on Chewy. A lot of it green, though. A lot of people want to buy before earnings. But damn, dude, that tank was just freaking crazy. Are you kidding me? That was a crazy, like, just out of nowhere. Nothing really caused it, I don't think. So crazy. Feeling good and they hate it. I don't recognize these faces. Had to cut my loss on it, just kept going down. Yeah, I do not blame you. I always cut mine right around there too. $63. Might try to hop in Apple after we sell off Chewy. Yeah, if you go long term, as long as you're in a long term position, you should be. It's just so hard to like predict the short term of the market. It's just going to be really difficult. But there's going to be other places we can put our money to. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. I've been listening to so much Mac Miller lately. He's crazy. This ain't entertainment. Lacing up my sneakers while I'm running on the pavement. This ain't your money till you make it. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Mac is a goat, 100%. I listen to him all the time, bro. All the time. Was just listening to Aquarium like 5 minutes ago. I've been listening to Loud, dude. His That song Loud's amazing. But yeah, Aquarium's super fire, man. That album, like the Watching Movies with the Sound Off album's underrated. I don't even listen to it a ton, but I know it's underrated. But yes, I want to go back and listen to that one again. It's been a minute since I've heard that song, not gonna lie. I listened to a ton of like his really, really early stuff, so like 2012 and before, and then 2015 to like today, but 2015 to like 2018 the most, where he had like Good AM is my favorite Mac album, but also I really like Best Day Ever. So like I really like a lot of his earlier stuff. Nike's on my feet, make my cipher complete. Yeah, that one. That song's fire, bro. He's just so like relatable as a person. It's crazy. His interviews are next level. Chewy gonna be a power hour hold? I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. I think it's a power hour hold. Let me go check it out though. Mac was my whole middle school experience. Yes. Dude, that was a great time. I listened to him in middle school too. Especially those early songs. Whereas like prime Mac middle school. Like that. He's just one of the GOATs. Stop, boy, you're running through your savings. Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. Tesla even pulled back a little bit. We ain't on the same shit. No way. Lacing up my sneakers and this ain't your money till you make it. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. My portfolio is finally in the red for the day now that my long-term positions are down. My options are doing cool, but DPST just dropped 2% in the last like 10 minutes. Yanking the portfolio. Stop, boy, you're running through your savings. Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. It's retesting the VWAP on Chewy. Let me look at SPY because my whole portfolio still be going down. Geez, SPY dropped another point. Dude, people are quick to sell, man. It takes forever for the market to go up, but when they want to sell, dude, they're like, I'm out of here. Fear, I'm scared. Literally the same people that sold their stocks when SPY was 332 are the same ones that are buying that bought up at 342 today, and now that's 339. They're like, I can get out of here. I can't. I'm losing so much. SPY did just big tank on us. It's literally just the people who will like they'll get frustrated, they'll blow up on themselves because they're trading emotionally. But I could understand people who maybe bought at 3 on Tesla. Oh, Tesla did really 383 again. I mean, it's pretty much, yeah, it just eliminated all their gains for like the last hour. It's crazy. I think we're going to have a funkier day than I expected today. Even Apple fell like another dollar. People are just panicking out here. I wonder if it's because of stimulus or what's going on. And my DPST's down even more. Everything's red. Amazon literally fell $100 a share in 30 minutes. It's getting rocky out here. Let me see what Trading Fraternity's saying. We're getting Chewy back down. That's falling too. Everything's just getting clapped right now. I'm going to see what he's saying, if there's any reason behind this. Apple is still falling. How? People are just panicking. I'm letting this shake out for at least another 30 minutes, though. It just sucks that Chewy fell through the VWAP because the whole market's tanking. And it was setting up, everything was setting up so well. But when everything tanks, people are like quick to sell and anything. Looking at the 5-year chart, why does DPST drop so much? Because it's a leveraged fund. So since it's leveraged, once it crashes so much, it can never return back on, like back up. Alan Greenspan was just on CNBC. Fed chairman guy. See, doesn't he just try to spread fear? Oh, he was talking about inflation. Oh, probably. So, but that honestly makes less sense to me. Like he's talking about inflation, so everyone stops. Like, what? They like all their stuff, huh? I just can't believe DPST's sitting dormant right now. At least we got SPY back another $1. Yeah, it's just going to be rocky. That's why we're playing stuff slow, long term. I haven't entered anything. I mean, Chewy's my closest expiration. I don't want to play their earnings, but they are the lowest I've seen them where I'm down 10%. Stop, boy, you're running through your savings. Okay, my portfolio is back to break even on the day. It's crazy, man. Let me look up. I'm going to see what Trading Fraternity is saying. I know he's live right now, too. Or his stock market live channel.
Yeah, Pound is bouncing. It looks like Pound is the leader here. Honestly, I brought that. That's crazy. That I brought that up the other day on the daily. But if that does start to, the Pound starts to lead. Oh shit, that would be wild. Actually, that would tell you something about even global growth and even the deficits, bro. Currencies, man, currencies. Would Bank of America at 9 cents be good? No, not if I just paid 4 cents for it. I would stay away from that or wait until it comes down. Or if you could get more time or closer to the money, it's a different situation. But that same exact play I did, no way. I mean, somebody in the market might want to pay for that, but I would not tell you as the Colt to buy it.
Whew. What popped? He has something here that popped. Chewy told me put that shit away. Hey, we're coming back though. It's at 62.
Hold anything. Just remember,
33.
In the middle of the cockney. You just have the market rip. You didn't chase any calls. We didn't chase the first one. We had to do a little bit of the puts, but we still have some. Only way we're going to get screwed is if we don't take profits before it starts going up. That's why we need to confirm this. That's why I was a little hesitant to grab some. And I was like, okay, we can get a little bit go from there. But you have to decide. It's going to be a game of hot potato. Make things free. Be nimble. You've seen how it's played out so far, and you see how it is playing out so far.
Oh, RDFN. This is such a tough week to be a stock trader. Chewy told me to put that shit away. That killed me. That killed me. Want you to call it's 2020 election. still reinvest it. But I still reinvest it. I just want a Lexus. Okay. Well, it's really home invasion. It's not your money till you make it. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. What a day. Stop, boy, you're running through your savings. All right, I'm back in the green. I don't know about you guys, but I'm back in the green on my portfolio. Everything got a little bit better, but I don't know how sustainable this is. But let's just hope. Everybody dangerous. It ain't your money till you make it. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. We're getting VWAP action again on Chewy. That's a great sign. Whew. Let's go. This ain't your money till. Oh, I threw my phone. What am I throwing my phone for? That's still so funny, Tyler. Chewy told me put that shit away. Yeah, it's retesting the VWAP line right now. So I hope we can mount it and get another run up to 63. But yeah, I think Chewy's going to be an end of the day type of play or soon. I mean, it really depends. I was hoping we'd see them hit 65 because their price target's 70 for this earnings run up. And I think that would put some confidence in. So we're just trying to make a little bit of our monies today. But it's fun playing stuff long term. It's really taken the stress off me. A lot of stress. Not saying that I'm stressed trading stocks, but just like through the short term fluctuation, I'm only stressed because of what the market did the last week. It's not like any of my positions, right? It's just trying to find new ones where, you know, there's new plays to be made, stuff like that. But yeah, my portfolio is in the green as of right now. Chewy's back up to where it was this morning. Now it's 62.53. Apple's really the only thing that tanked today, to where it dropped like $4 from its pre-market value. Tesla's doing better. DPST's coming up, so I think we can get some good action back. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. Chewy, oh, you're down $8 on Chewy, Tyler? Is that what you're saying? You were up 80 this morning. We'll get you back up there. See, because I'm down way more than you are. I do be down 50 on Chewy. Oh, on the day. Spy did get clapped. Oh, holding. I like it. About to test the view up again. One of the only stocks not to crash. I'm down 62 on Chewy. What's the move on SPY? Michael says. I mean, we're seeing. Okay, Chewy tested the VWAP, but it's still green. Let me check SPY out. What's going on with it? I would wait. I would seriously wait to make an entry. It's a red candle right now, even though we got two green ones, right? We could see another reversal, or if we get more green, 340.70 would be the best spot to enter SPY. But right now, it's too scary. It'd be a little too random for me personally. Tyler says he's down 62 on Chewy. Yeah, it do be getting weird, man. It's really home invasion. It ain't your money till you make it. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. Another lost day today. I'm in the green in my portfolio. Finally positive again. I'm right where Skylar is. I'm up 0.5% on the day. I was up like 3% this morning. Chewy's climbing back though. Yeah, so SPY, I mean, even though it's green, we got 3 green candles. To be completely safe, Michael, I would wait until we see 340.70 before making an entry. And even then, watch your charts because that was a reversal. We had 1 green candle, and this is looking better, but it's still, stonks, so it's still scary. Anything can happen. Jimmy, home invasion. Let's go, Chewy. Let's go. Let me pull up that chart. Yes, I'm really hoping. We just got to break 62.55 and we can see another run to 63. Everything's looking good. It just sucks that SPY had to go. Even Apple's are covered in this contract like $40 in 5 minutes. Like they're already back a whole $1. Like this is just making my brain run in circles. Like, hello? It's like, hello? Is anybody in there? Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. Stop, boy, you're running through your savings. I am the same ish. Okay. I'm feeling good and they hate it. Cause I don't recognize these faces. Missing every single shot that you ain't taking. Hey, kid. You could use a little bit of your imagination. Stop, boy, running through your savings. Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. Chewy, we're back up, guys. Chewy's at 62.50. 3 green candles, 4 right now in a row from what I see. Chewy can make my day absolutely amazing. It shoots up, and then football tonight, it might give me a permanent erection. Dude, I know. I literally love trading, and now I'll get to watch football tonight. Like, what else is there? What else is there for me out there? It's fun. But yeah, my portfolios are just up 0.5% today. I'll take it, yo. I'll take it, yo. And then I'll be back. I'll be back streaming tomorrow. I'm streaming tomorrow. So after football, we can talk about the game. I'm going to stream Chewy's earnings tonight, even though I don't plan on playing it. Still be cool to see what we got going. Stop, boy. You're running through your savings. This ain't entertaining. Whoa. Come on, DPST. Every time that goes down, it yanks my whole portfolio because it's most of my holdings. Chewy, we got a red candle. Check Apple. Apple, we got a big red candle after 3 green ones that were looking good, so we'll keep an eye on that. But it's weird because it's like laddering down. I don't know. I like Apple here, though. I really think we're going to see some more green out of Apple. How's SPY doing? SPY erased 2 of the green candles around a red one. But I don't know. I don't really think SPY will get worse than 338 today. But we really need it to get back to the VWAP. I was really thinking it was, and we'd get more confidence in investors. Taking another dip, is that, yeah, that's what SPY's doing. Even if it hovers here and consolidates, that's better than down, down. Down to down, down. Apple's 116.50, so that'll be a big contributor. Let me look at Microsoft. Okay. So everything kind of had 3 green candles, and now they're seeing a big red one. Anybody playing DraftKings? I'm the only degenerate gambler. I'm not playing DraftKings. Degenerate gambler. Darden? Oh, DraftKings? No, DraftKings. Got a little red candle out of DraftKings. It fell under the VWAP, but it got lifted by the lower VWAP. So it's going to consolidate, I think, for a little bit. DraftKings, which is better than being like any other stock right now, right? Oh, man. Apple's got another red candle. Let's see what Josh on trading from the trading fraternity guy is saying. I'm just hopping between the charts on Thinkorswim. Getting that VWAP on Chewy. I like DraftKings. I haven't been keeping an eye on them though. Yeah, same here. I like them, but I agree. Just haven't been keeping an eye on them. Chewy's just hanging out. Boy, you're running through your savings. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Yeah, we're just getting some consolidation on Chewy. SPY, we got another green candle. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Forgot to reload my SPY chart. We'll watch the market till about noon, and then I'm gonna take a break so I can get some stuff done for the day, some businessy stuff. I got to prepare for one of my CBD pop-up events this weekend, and I want to give the market time to breathe, and I want to come back for Chewy's earnings. So I'll be live for a little bit. We can keep chatting, and then I'll come back for Chewy's earnings. I'll prepare for football tonight. I'm excited. Football is just the best, man. It's the best. I love it. The best. SPY's green. SPY's about to test. SPY's close to retesting the VWAP. If none comes out, I feel like it's negative NFL news. Yeah, I think it's steady up. I think people are going to keep playing football. Football is like the biggest gambled sport out there, right? From what I've known. Any good swings for tomorrow? I'm just holding Apple. I'm holding you guys want me to go live? We watch football together? Is that illegal? Am I allowed to stream it? I don't. Am I allowed to? I mean, I could watch it and then tell you guys and be live here if you guys want to talk about the game. Is it illegal for me to stream the game? That's what I'm curious. SPY's about to retest the VWAP. Looking good. Much about savings. We are about 15 cents away on SPY from retesting the VWAP, not the game. Yeah, it would be. You could just stream your face, not the game. Allows it free. What kind of game is it? Well, yes, it's illegal. That's what I assumed. I was like, I'm pretty sure it's illegal because. But I mean, I could just stream my face. We could talk about the game. I'd be down. That'd be fun. I also want to start streaming video games on Twitch too. I have a Twitch account. I've been streaming for like 2 years on it, but I never really put too much effort into it. So I want to do that too. But yeah, I mean, we could do that. I'll see if I can get it going tonight if I get the channel or whatever. So I got to make sure I can watch it too. Yeah, we're just sitting here like this. I'm like, guys, sports. I'm just pointing at the TV. Hey, I appreciate it, Blake. Yeah, I want to start streaming video games. I just didn't know I'd be like if the Discord is getting notifications, I'm going live on Twitch and everyone's like, he's playing Call of Duty. I appreciate it though. The support is amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna start going live on Twitch too. So if you guys got those Twitch Prime subs, no, I'm just kidding. I do want to go live on Twitch though. I think it's fun. I think gaming's fun. And I didn't want to do it on YouTube. Like if I went live on YouTube, just because I have such a different community, I think it'd be cool to build like the YouTube community as stocks and then Twitch for gaming, streaming, whatever, you know. Yeah, you can grab a bot. Yeah, I have that going. I just didn't know if people would be like in the Discord, like, he's playing video games now? Like, what? Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to because I'm a Twitch affiliate. And yeah, I think doing it chill, like just be chill, like stream football on Twitch, but make YouTube all stock stuff so that people aren't like, he's gaming and his YouTube's what? Like, I feel like that would confuse them, in my opinion. But so yeah, I could switch back and forth. I think it'd be cool. What's Apple doing? Apple. There we go. Back to 117.24 on Apple. Everybody dangerous. Then we'll check Chewy, but Apple's looking good. I hope we can get close to 118 on Apple pretty soon. I'm really confident. And I'm already confident in Apple, but just in the overall market. Okay, Chewy's on the VWAP. It's pattern. Chewy's so slow. It is. Have a separate Discord for each. Yeah. Do like a Twitch gaming one too. Because I have my free Discord and then I do the premium Discord too because I really want to help people. But the free one's more for people to like talk back and forth, see some plays. But I want to make that one look better this weekend. Free one so that I can so people can have conversations in different areas like day trades, spots, swing plays, just so people aren't like throwing everything in the lounge and then you can't read everything. And then, yeah, I could do a gaming one separate too. Because gaming's a blast. And I'd love to honestly stream on YouTube in the day and then stream on Twitch playing video games at night. I just think it's a blast, man. Video games are the best. Stocks, video games, and football. I mean, what else do you need, right? Wow, Voog really shot back up quick. Just sucks that DPST is still going down. Should we just be hanging out? Wow, Beyond Meat's really had a day. That would have been a great swing. People are still buying it too because it's one of the few green stocks. Yeah, SPY 340.55. We're going to test the VWAP soon. I could see a little pullback happening. The effing life, bro. It literally is, man. It's like we got football. What else do you need on the weekends? We have the stock market in the week, which is a blast. I can go live on YouTube, help people out, have the Discord, and stream video games at night. Like, dude, it's a blast. SPY's at 340.72. Ayo. Dude, it'd be testing that VWAP right now. I wonder what we're going to do. If we're going to get some consolidation on it or what's going on. Whew, it's crazy how time passes like that. Craziness. All right, let's wait. Maybe we get watch for a SPY takeoff. Watch for a SPY takeoff if we get green. Yeah, it's just hanging out at the VWAP line. This is crazy. I'm excited. If we get a good green, we could see a lift off. Everybody dangerous. Everybody wild. Everybody famous. That boy, you running for your savings on the VWAP. So we might see some consolidation action going. But like I said, a pullback supernatural right here for SPY. I mean, it had 3 green candles, pulled back a little, 2, pulled back a little. So I really like the setup that we got going on right now. But man, Yeah, so I'm up 0.55% on the day. Still growing. We're getting a little hangout action. What's up, Braden? What's going on? It looks like SPY dipped at 1040. It sold off a lot. Now it's back up to the VWAP line, so I think we could see SPY shoot off again. So we're just getting consolidation really today. A lot of up and down. We haven't seen too clear of a direction each way, especially with SPY. So what plays are you in, Braden? I'm loving all mine. I got long-term everything for October, and then we're going to try to sell Chewy today before earnings. And Chewy was en route to just keep flying before the market pulled back. And it's still consolidating on the VWAP, which is a great sign that it's not just going ballistic. You know, I just hope that we can get more green, mount it, run back up to 63 like we were, and then get a good power hour push is the plan. It's the plan for today. Everybody wild, everybody dangerous. And then we'll get some charts pumping for tomorrow's live stream so we can watch charts. I can show you guys what I see. And you guys can see if you agree or disagree or are making plays or what's going on. What's going on? Just blessed with that summary. I'm at work. Appreciate you. Oh, you got it, bro. That's kind of what that's what's going on right now. You got it, bro. That's why I'm confident in the market right now. I like it. I think we're gonna have a consolidation day. I just hope Chewy can mount the VWAP line. Sat out the last 2 days, had to take a 90-day restriction on Robinhood for breaking the PDT, but as soon as my funds transferred to Weevil, we live. Hey, that's what I'm all about, man. That's what it's all about. I'm glad to hear that. We'll be making some good plays. It's just crazy how like uppercut the market's been. It's just like, here you go, you guys ready? Boom, uppercut. You guys ready for another one? Boom, boom, boom. Ugh. I feel like Mark Sanchez in the pocket with the old Jets line. That's how bad it is. It's like boom, boom, boom. But it's actually, everything's moving solid, I think. Oh, Apple got a big red candle. Yeah, so we'll keep an eye out for that. And then we got a green one that just started. So we'll see. We'll see what kind of action we get. It's cool, man. Once you learn the candles, trading becomes less stressful because you feel like you have like technical analysis. Once you understand that, even just a little bit, and that's why I'm gonna keep pushing hardcore on my channel. Like I'm gonna keep teaching it. I teach it in the Discord on the weekends. That's what we're gonna learn this weekend. I'm gonna try to teach it on Saturday, but I gotta move the time around. Yeah, the O line falling apart, but yes, sir, those holds will pay off. Yeah, I'm holding Apple. I got Apple going for October 2nd, and they got their event next week, so I'm really pumped on it. Chewy's just kind of hovering. This is just going to be a slower month, a little tougher. I mean, it's going to be rough around the edges, especially with everything that we got going on. Everybody dangerous. Too late to get into Chewy. Let me check the chart. I doubt it though. I mean, do you have a day trade available? It's still consolidating. But I think if you're going to get in, I mean, you'd get in cheaper than I did. I got in at 62.60. But you guys got to remember I had to deal with theta overnight, so that's what clapped my position a little bit. Yeah, if you want to get in for a day trade, I like the charts. Stop, boy, you're running through your savings. But everything's still kind of going sideways. I think SPY VWAP mount, so it's going to give it another shot. Oh, cool. It's consolidation here. It's actually looking good. We did get that one red, but I mean, after those two green candles, we're getting another one. We're setting up for VWAP. It kind of gets shut down, but it's still holding. Like the volume levels are still holding. Everybody can choose. So I'm just watching the charts from far away, thinking. Got no day trades left, so yeah, probably don't grab it, Juan. What call on what, Chewy? I have the $63 call for 25th of September, but I want to sell it before earnings. Personally, I don't know. It would be fun to hold. I just don't want to get clapped, really. That's the plan. Like if I can avoid getting clapped for even more, I'd be a happy camper. Apple's cruising though. That's good. I think SPY's looking really good now. Or about to be if it's not. Because Apple just started to cruise. So we're going to have some things lag behind. But Apple's back to once it gets to 117.50, I'll be happy. Like I said, we get close to 18 today on it. I'll just feel more confident. I'm really confident in it too. I have it for October. But it's just one of those things, you like to be up in the profit zone as much as possible. That's what we be seeing. That is right at 118. And ain't no money till you make it. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. DPST still going down, dude. He's yanking my whole portfolio. So we got another green candle coming out of Apple. Let's check SPY. We're going to check that SPY. So SPY is still consolidating like I expected. Everything's looking good over here, though. We got another green candle coming out of SPY. So it's looking better. But yeah, I'll see if I can get tonight's football game. We can watch it. I was gonna say I wish I could just pull it up on the screen. I mean, we could also chat through it. I don't care. We'll see if I get the channel even. Because if so, I'd be down for that. I would be. I'd be very down. Everybody dangerous. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. No way. You ain't from my planet. We don't speak the same language. Yep, spies on the VWAP. Let's go. There we go. Past the V. Oh, it got shut down again. It's probably just going to consolidate right on the VWAP for a second. Let me look at Apple chart too. Feeling good and they hate it. Oh, Apple's looking good. Pushing that 118 mark. Slow climb, baby. It's a slow climb. Chewy mounted the VWAP. Let's get up to 63 again. Let's go. Spy consolidation. Yeah, this is interesting. Tomorrow's stream. I'm excited. I am excited. We'll get the charts going. We got football tonight. Dude, it's going to be a great day. We're going to watch Chewy's earnings later today. So if you guys want to stick around for that, I'll be live later. But yeah, we're going to be live for a little bit longer. And I can get some food in my system. Some more water. All of that stuff. We'll watch the market from afar. Football, boy. I know, I'm so pumped. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Texas finna catch a dub Saturday. Who are they playing? Let me look up who Texas is playing. Oh, they play UTEP. Texas El Paso, right? That's UTEP, the University of Texas El Paso. They're the Miners. Limited in-person attendance, so they're letting some people go. Texas is on some other dude. They're on some other wavelength out there. They're letting people go to the games. I mean, I guess if you keep them far enough away, mask them up. another little red guy out of Apple. I like the charts though. I like where everything's moving. It is just slow. I'm just gonna watch SPY for a minute. We're just consolidation range right now. That's why I just hope we can continue to see some green. Joe Rogan moved to Texas because Rona and Cali stinks at the moment. Yeah, California Rona is crazy, man. The Rona in California is like out of control. It's crazy. And yeah, it's crazy, man. They got all the fires happening. I can't even imagine. Cannot even imagine. So sad. So sad, man. Yeah, Chewy's looking good. I like my contract position. Apple's still looking good. We're just getting some consolidation. SPY looking better. I got some music to work on today. I'm excited. Today's going to be a good day. My buddy just sent me a beat, and I've been writing to it a little bit. So I got a new song coming out on the 16th, the 17th. I have a new song dropping next Thursday. We have over 1,000 streams on Spotify for Remember the Name. Yeah, we're still getting that consolidation on SPY. Same with Apple. More conflicting, more people conflicted about what to trade. Just caught P-Tone, 135 call, 918. How much was the premium and what's the delta and theta? Then I can give you a really, really good opinion on it. Wow, they're down to 92? Oh my gosh. I didn't realize they got hit that hard. And then M said, how are you going to play SPY? So I'm not playing SPY yet. I mean, I have my October call, but it's really beaten down. I'm just watching for consolidation. I'm watching for a movement. We haven't seen any big move in the last, I would say, 30 minutes. Everything's kind of hovered. We've consolidated in like this 50-cent range. So I'm just looking for a big breakout, whether it's up or down, just try to, look at potential positions, stuff like that. But I have all my stuff for October. What's the SPY call for October? It's October 9th. But I'm beaten down. I bought that call before I have an October 9th, like 355 call. Like it's ridiculously out of the money. I've gotten clapped on it for like 60%, but I'm just holding because it's so long term. Even though I'll need 100% return to break even, I'm just holding just because it's further out of the money. SPY put, I'm just playing. No, I'm just holding. It's a call. I mean, if you want to put SPY, that's fine. I just like where it's consolidating at. Everybody's saying. It's actually holding up pretty well. Let me check Apple out. I haven't checked them in a minute. I have not checked Apple out in a minute. It doesn't want to load. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so they're hovering too. Pretty much just consolidating like everything else. Everybody dangerous. Sneeze your money till you make it. Otherwise, it's just a conversation. Oof. Oh yeah, I gotta look at Chewy. Ah, there we go. What do you think about Walmart at November? Yeah, I like Walmart. I think that's a good one. Let me go check the Chewy's hanging out at the VWAP again. It did break out of it. Oh shoot, Walmart popped a second ago. Got up to like 140.15. Now it might fall through the VWAP. Fall down. We'll see. We got weird stuff developing right now. Yeah, I like Walmart for then. If you're gonna play it for November, I like that a lot actually. I really do. I'm gonna call the stream here. I've been live for 2 hours, 20 minutes. Thank you guys for hanging out. I'm gonna be back for Chewy's earnings tonight. I don't plan on playing them like I've said before, but I still want to listen to the earnings call, see if it's a potential stock for me to continue to watch going ahead, you know, because I think we could have just some good action with it. So I'm excited. But yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. I'm not going to play earnings. I don't plan on it. I really hope that I can sell it today, and I hope I can sell it for profit. So we'll keep an eye on it, but I'll be back for Chewy's earnings. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the premium Discord. I can walk you through some stuff. So that's going to be it for me today. But I'll be back. Well, not today, but I'll be back in a couple of hours. 4:30, I think, is Chewy's earnings. So, and we can talk about it then. Yeah, you got it, M. Be back to football too. Yeah, Zod. We'll see. If I can get football going, I'd be down to watch some football and talk about it. At least for like, yeah, let me know when you're selling. I will, Tyler. 100%. 100%. You guys know what's up. Don't forget to sub. We got a lot of stuff going on. The market's going to be interesting. So let's see what happens. But I really appreciate all the support. You guys are amazing. Have a great rest of your day until I come back at 4.